Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. My name is David Nibel and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And guys, we are back with another interesting cooking video. Yay!
Guess what?
Guess what?
What are we cooking?
French fries.
The French fries. The procedure.
First, peel your potatoes. Potatoes, no potatoes.
The potatoes.
No potatoes. Potatoes.
After peeling the potatoes,
You're going to slice them, but we're going to wash them first.
You slice?
Yeah.
You can't slice them. You just boil like that.
Oh, we are making
the fries.
Mom, do you know what fries are?
Yes.
Chipo?
No. Even deep fried warus, we call them fries.
But you don't call them French fries.
Why?
They're just fries.
They have said fries anyway, Joya.
You have said French fries.
No. Ma'am, you remove look at the pepper. You must remove the nini first, the other one, so that the uchafu goes inside. You are going to, look, already you have messed down there. That is something that I've been avoiding. It's not an accident. That is intentional, mommy.
It's an accident. How can I just want to put something down?
I don't think if it was something of the sort. So, guys, welcome back to our boss lady as she cleans. She cleans the fries. Ni kuja nionyeshe watu vile una clean. Pum hapo kwa sink, si ndio? Mimi nataka some water. Niweke ka ugali because I'm feeling hungry.
You're using the sifia that you use to boil.
So you can use this one.
Wash it.
Yeah, you can just wash. There's no problem, my dear.
Tiring.
Okay, it might be tiring, but it's the best need. So naongelesha watu Joy, sure. You have been away for some time.
So guys, I've been away for a long time.
It's not a long time.
Okay. I've been away for some time. And
utuambie mazuri, ni nini umekuwa unafanya?
Just been school stuff. Been doing my exam. The end term. So when you close school, I'll be back.
We are back already. Tell them that you're done with the exams. You are done with the exams, isn't it? Yeah. And you believe you've passed, isn't it? So there is no problem with that, isn't it? So guys, we are done with the nini, and we are now asking guys, what do you think we should be doing? Joya, by then, what do you think we should be doing these holidays as videos?
Just be talking about pretend life. And I also think we should talk about challenges some pretends face.
Wow, I think we can start with that one. What are these challenges that I can't imagine? Do you have challenges?
Mom.
Yes.
We don't have physical challenges. We have mental. Like, what can I say? Mom, there's this thing, the fear of being looked at.
You fear being looked at? By who now?
Just anyone. And Mom, like maybe when you do something wrong, you let's just wish that nobody saw you doing that thing. And sometimes may lead you to make silly decisions.
Like?
Yes, that's a very common.
I've never seen preteens thinking that way. No, not even one.
They have. Mom. Okay, so.
Mom, what might be that one surely that can lead you to such a thing?
No. When you do something embarrassing.
What can be that one that is embarrassing to the extent of just you losing your life, surely?
I can't give specific reasons, but
yeah. I think you need to check your to check your doctors.
My mental health is very fine. I am not sick.
I've never heard of a preteen, a young girl, a small girl who has committed suicide, by the way. I've not. Young, no. Preteen. You know preteen, you are talking about somebody who is below the age of 13.
Yeah, I've ever.
Where?
Although it's not like the same community. It was like a girl in Uganda. After her mother, she lost the key for the house, so her mother bet her, and then she killed herself.
But do you think that was the right decision?
I don't think so.
That has become a common nini. I don't think if you should be thinking even looking at that way. Yes. Hatuna chipo hapo. I don't think if it is the right thing that people should at your age should be. Mom, let me tell you, as a preteen, you should be thinking about food. Okay. School.
And love.
And love.
The love that you're thinking.
No. Which one am I thinking? It is you who is thinking. Which one am I thinking? It is enough for you to think about food, school, isn't it? Another thing I would like to say, your performance in school should be directly proportional to how you are treated at home. Okay, in that one I only mean as a child, as a small child, you shouldn't be thinking about so much. As long as your parent is providing for you, you don't need to be thinking so much about things that you can't control, guys.
Like something like doing like
you Joy, for example, you are preaching, senior. Mom, what do you always do in this home apart from cooking chipo, cooking breakfast? What else do you do?
Wash the utensils.
How many days over the week?
We normally agree, Mom, with you. The day that I go to school, because I wake up so early, I don't do the dishes. But like on a Saturday, on a Sunday.
No, Sunday you leave them out. Most Sundays you don't do the dishes because most Sundays you pretend that you are the person who is having the sleep, like you only sleep up to 8.
You know, Mom, you wake up, you go to school like at 7.
Good. Not even 7, 8.
Yeah. You go to school at 5. Can you see the distance? The distance.
The difference.
The difference and the distance of the
time. No. but let me ask you one question. Have you ever gone to school without me waking up?
Which waking up?
Waking up, just being on. I'm the one who wakes you up. Yeah. So definitely at the end of the day, I'm the one who is waking up early in this house. Go back to sleep. I rarely. So you just leave me on phone.
Yeah, but see, it's a choice.
It is a choice, but you can't sleep whilst you have just woken up at 6. You can't.
You mean you can't?
Hey, then it all depends, isn't it? Yeah, it all depends with the person. One person can do that, isn't it? Yeah. Anything else, my water is boiled. Yeah. See, today you just pretend and cook for me ugali. Tell people that you know how to cook ugali. You know, people believe that teens. No. People believe that teens. People always believe that teens, most of the teens, they don't know how to cook.
Yeah.
Are you saying that? But you, what can you tell people?
You know how to cook.
You know how to cook even ugali, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can you show them today? Why are you breathing in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out? Wow. The ugali is small, guys. The reason as why I'm gonna be telling my daughter to do it. You don't put a lot of unga, you put little. You add little by little, little by little. Sorry. That's why I said sorry. Hey, but that nini seems to be big.
Wiko.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't choose that one. I use the other slim one.
See, I can look for you.
Found it.
So you add small. Show people the one you love.
This one. It's like it's light. It's not heavy.
Okay, now the water. You leave the water to
rise above the
unga that you've put.
Flour.
Oh, it's the flour.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
It's ready.
Yes, it is.
So, ma'am, I mostly just start with. Mom, how old were you when you started to know how to cook?
Yeah, coming from the village is something that is difficult. You know, people might think that I'm the one doing the ugali. It's you doing it, isn't it? So, guys, my baby knows how to make ugali. You add a little unga as you proceed. Let me assist you in adding unga.
Then you just mix it. And I was not taught in school.
Huh?
I was taught by the best.
The best. Who is the best?
My mother.
Yeah. Your mother is the best, isn't it?
Yeah, and I knew to cook it in grade 5. I started in grade 4. Remember there, since I was young, I just loved cooking. I don't know why.
And that is how you are making it, isn't it? Yeah. So tengeneza hako ka ugali.
Na make sure unga ionekane imemixika.
Guys, come, my daughter will show you how to make aka ugali. Imagine, guys, we had started with making the fries, but right now we have ended up making ugali. I know this is something that most people don't know how to cook, but she's gonna be making the best. So you make sure that you mix properly. You mix. Finya kabisa ufinye unadunga ndani hivyo ndio kufinya sasa. Hivyo finya zote yote paka ikae hivyo yote.
And we are not wasting.
Yote like that. Then you turn it so that it doesn't have unga inside. Turn the kaugalai. Turn yote tu once, yani kadogo sana kukata ndani. And then this unga, guys, hii unga huwe na nini hivyo, finye hivyo. Hii unga by the way, guys, inajaa haraka, inakuwa ngumu haraka.
Ukiweka mingi,
that is not what you want to eat, isn't it?
Yeah.
But ushaeka unga mingi. Na ni mimi ndio nimekuwa naongeza, imagine. Leave it to simmer. So for us, when we were growing up, they used to tell us that now if you want to know that ugali is ready, you cut like a small piece, you do like this, you hit the ukuta. If it comes out, it is ready. If it sticks there, it's not ready.
Yeah, Mama, I saw that in Chinese when you put something like this, it's instant burning for the dead. So
see, it's in Chinese, not us.
We should try. I'm gonna try. Use my hand.
So guys, the what do we call them?
Potatoes.
The potatoes are boiling.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
You didn't even manage to stick. So that means the ugali?
But you had already rolled it. You just do when it is still like this, and it is still, guys, like that, and then still. It's still.
I'm
It's burning. Can you turn it? Guys, to make sure that you are not burning your ugali, you make sure that you are turning it, and you are turning it. Yeah, frequently. Guys, there is something that baby forgot. You can't cook without you can't boil the nini without salt. The ugali is ready, but the unga was too much. So you turn once, then you turn the second, then you'll have to remove. So our what do we call the potatoes are boiling. We've added some salt in them so that when we're gonna be deep frying, they're gonna be here. We have the managu, the one Mama is going to use to eat ugali. By the way, guys, I don't eat those yummy. You never turned the ugali well. So if you want the ugali to be together, you will wet your mwiko. Go and wet it. Wetting is you go put in water like that and then back.
Mama, and we promised them that we'll bake them a cake.
We will soon, sooner or later. So this one, our ugali is ready. Can you remove? Our ugali is now ready, guys.
So, I'm gonna try the turning, but I don't want to see the lid.
You are taking a lot of time. It continues sticking now.
Hey, Mommy.
It is you. You are the one. So guys, look at the ugali that the baby has. I told you Joy is a good cook if she decides. She is the best you can have. She has made me nice ugali. I wanna be eating it. Guys, I'm salivating. You can't imagine. So welcome as I enjoy. Mom, please serve me sideways like that. Come serve me. Keep the unga first of all. So we say that when we are done, you keep the whatever you are not using. Just like that, you cooked for me ugali.
Yeah.
The
idea came out from nowhere.
From nowhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we are chefs, we say that we want to be giving you all the best, isn't it? Keep that there. And then now, guys.
So, we're going to turn off this one, the one that the potatoes are in, on.
No, how you could have just left them so that you will use. Okay. Continue. Bring it on, Bana. What's the problem?